whisper video, and I don't really know what to say except that I have been wanting to do a whisper video for quite some time, and I want to thank Whisper Crystal, Danish Vlog, Lilium, and Gentle Whispering for helping me this entire year. I told myself I was going to make one at the first of the year of 2012, but then I realized that you can do it from your own webcam, and that would be so much easier for me if I just did that. So, if you, sorry, if you want me to do another video, I will be glad to do one, and I want your guys' help, and I want your guys' ideas, so I know what to do, and all that. Um, I'm leaving this all up to you, and if I get maybe 10 comments, good comments, or somebody said if you work on this better, you'll do good, or you'll be better, or 10 likes on this, then I'll make another video, but until then, I'm not going to make one, and if any of you are in the whispering community, I strongly ask for your help and support for a new whisperer such as myself. I don't normally do this, but again, shout out to Whisper Crystal, Lilium, Danish Vlog, and Gentle Whispering for helping me relax and sleep and inspiring me to do things such as this. I never thought I would do this. And if you're wondering, if you don't know who JFK is, he was a president, my favorite president, and I got this shirt for Christmas. It says, "It is not what you can do for your country, but what you can do for all mankind." My mom got me this shirt, 4 or 5 others with JFK. I'll probably be wearing those in other videos. But again, this is just a ramble, and I hope that I get the 10 likes or 10 comments that say good job, please make another. I want to thank each and every one of you for listening to this, and I promise if I do get that limit that I want to have, I will do another one. If you have an idea, I will take it into deep consideration, and I will help relax you if you need it. Please tell me if you need any help with anything. If you want me to make a video about it, I will. And I think I'm now going to continue about my ramble on my 2011 year. This is my senior year in high school, and I'm looking at a couple colleges I haven't sent any applications in, and I really need to do that. But I'm gonna try and get all those in, and this year went by fast, and I don't like it. My senior year is going by too fast. Oh, and also thank you to Savannah's Voice for helping me as well with cooking videos, and makes me yawn. Oh, great. I said yawn, and I'm yawning now. Oh, excuse me. But again, 2011 went by good. I went through a bad breakup a few months ago, but I've moved on, and I think I'm in another one. I don't know. to know more. Actually, I'm just going to continue to more. My past girlfriend, she has been my first for so many things. Um, she has been the one I first went out on a date with. She's been the first girl I kissed. She's helped me with my past and helped me get better. But she basically became my rock. And once she left, that rock and hope that I had was completely destroyed into pieces. I was not myself for about a month. I could not eat or keep anything down for about a month. And I've just been, people have been saying I've been a lot better than what I have been in the past year. But I think I'm still that negative person. I'm trying to change to that positive one. So anyway, thanks again to all you whisperers out there that has helped me sleep, especially the ones that I have mentioned in this video. I hope you're listening to this because of all the people that I have listened to. I want your opinion on it and your help. I will look back at this in a few days and see if I got those requirements that I wanted, and I will see what happens from there. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye.